Before machines become legends, they are born from energy, precision, and passion.
The story of the Lada Granta begins with the long history of Russian automobile manufacturing. The car was created by Lada Official, one of the most famous automobile brands in Russia. Lada itself was established during the Soviet Union era and became widely known for producing strong, affordable, and reliable cars that could survive difficult roads, cold weather, and rough driving conditions. For decades, Lada vehicles were designed with simplicity in mind. Unlike luxury European cars, Lada focused on creating vehicles that ordinary people could buy and maintain easily. This philosophy made the company extremely popular not only in Russia but also in many other countries where people needed affordable transportation. Before the Granta was introduced, Lada had already produced many successful models such as the Lada Samara and the Lada Kalina. These cars were common on Russian roads for many years, but by the late 2000s, the company realized that customers wanted something more modern. People wanted better styling, improved comfort, safer construction, and better fuel economy while still keeping the affordable price that Lada was famous for. Because of this demand, engineers and designers at Lada started working on a completely new project that would later become the Lada Granta. The first generation of the Lada Granta officially debuted in 2011. It was developed mainly as a replacement for older entry-level Lada models. The goal behind the Granta was very simple: create a modern budget car that could be purchased by almost anyone. At the time, many international car manufacturers were entering budget markets, creating competition for local Russian brands. Lada needed a vehicle that could compete with affordable cars from Asia and Europe while maintaining its reputation for reliability and low maintenance costs. When the Granta first arrived, people immediately noticed its practical design. The car featured a compact body, modern headlights, a simple but attractive front grille, and a spacious interior for its class. While the design was not luxurious, it was functional and clean. This made it appealing to everyday drivers who cared more about practicality than expensive styling. The Granta was especially attractive for first-time car buyers, small families, taxi drivers, and people living in rural areas. One of the biggest reasons behind the success of the Lada Granta was its affordability. In many countries, buying a new car can be extremely expensive, but the Granta offered a low-cost solution. Its spare parts were cheap, repairs were simple, and fuel consumption remained economical. Many mechanics appreciated the car because its engineering was straightforward and easy to work on. Owners often described the vehicle as dependable and inexpensive to maintain, which helped build its reputation over time. Another important factor in the Granta's popularity was its durability. Russia is known for its harsh winters, rough roads, and difficult driving conditions. Many luxury cars struggle in such environments because repairs become expensive and maintenance becomes complicated. However, the Granta was designed specifically to survive these conditions. Its suspension system was strong enough to handle damaged roads, while its engine remained reliable even during extremely cold temperatures. This made it an ideal choice for drivers living outside major cities. As the years passed, Lada continued improving the Granta. The company understood that customer expectations were changing. Drivers wanted more technology, improved safety features, and better comfort inside the cabin. Because of this, newer versions of the Granta introduced many updates. The exterior design became sharper and more modern. Headlights were redesigned to look more aggressive, bumpers became more stylish, and the overall appearance of the car improved significantly compared to the original model. Inside the cabin, the improvements were also noticeable. Early Granta models were known for having very simple interiors with basic plastic materials and limited technology.
Every machine has a story, and every transformation is a journey.